students, today I will discuss class 7 science, respiration and breathing. I already discussed in my previous classes respiration and how many types of respiration, the process of respiration. At first I will tell you the breathing in cockroach. Cockroach, the breathing organ of cockroach is trachea. Spiracle. What is spiracle? In cockroach are the another insects or the other insects also the same. The oxygen presence in air is taken inside the body through small openings present on the sides of the body is called the spiracles. So the spiracle, this one is called the spiracles. Okay, clear picture here. And breathing earthworm. Exchange of gases in earthworm takes place through their moist skin. That means by their moist skin they will continuing their breathing process. Breathing of frog, also the moist skin, and also which reaches the lungs. Okay, the breathing fish. Fish have a special organ called gill which helps them to breathing. That means their breathing organ is gills. Oxygen dissolves in water. When the oxygen dissolves in the water, on that time they will take in the oxygen from the water by their gills. Gills are the presence on the either sides. The situation or the location of gills. Gills are the presence on the either sides of the head. Gills are the well supplied with the blood vessels. Also, gills are well supplied with the blood vessels. These blood vessels help in the exchange of gases. Then I will tell you the respiration in plant. By the process of diffusion, plant exchange of gases in plants takes place by the process. This process is called the diffusion. By this process, independently in leaves, stem and root also. In leaves exchange or the surface of the leaves, exchange of gases occurs through the stomata. That means stomata will be present in the surface area of the leaf, which are present on the lower surface of the leaf. Also it will be present in the lower surface. That means this one is the upper surface and this one is the lower surface. Stomata will be present in the lower surface of the leaves. Its stems occurs through the lenticel. Also it will be occurs by the or through the lenticel. So I will tell you some questions and I will discuss some questions answer. Exchange of gases in leaves or stem. Which one? Exchange of gases in leaves or stem takes place through lenticel. This one is the leaves. By the leaves or in leaves, exchange of gases through the lenticel. Exchange of gases in earthworm or insects takes place through the moist skin. Obviously it will be earthworms. So the earthworms is the correct option. Spiracles are present in frog or cockroach. Yes, obviously it will be cockroach. Spiracles are the presence in cockroach. Next, aquatic animal breathe through the gills. Obviously it will be gills because all of these aquatic animals have its own gills without or except few aquatic animals. Roots or stems exchange gases through their surface. Exchange gases through their surface in the plant. Obviously it will be the stems. Next I will tell you breathing. Breathing, it is the process of taking oxygen and giving out the carbon dioxide. Obviously by the breathing process we or also the plant, only the animal taking the oxygen and the giving out the carbon dioxide. Obviously it will be alternatively changed by the plants. By the plant, breathing will be taken by taking carbon dioxide and giving out oxygen. Breathing rate, a number of times a patient breathes in a minute or in 1 minute. In a 1 minute, how many times person breathe? How many times person will be breathe? It will be called as a breathing rate. Spiracles, teeny, that means a small, teeny openings present, opening end are there, opening presence on the body surface of insect. All of these insects has its own spiracles. So the surface of insects that in the exchange of gases. Next I will tell you from the page number 108. Energy is produced during the process of respiration, obviously, and the end product of anaerobic respiration is alcohol and carbon dioxide. So for option 1 is the correct option. The muscular sheath that forms the floor of the chest cavity is called, that means the muscular sheath where it is situated in the chest cavity, it will be the diaphragm. Exchange of gases take place during the process of breathing, obviously. By the breathing process, exchange of gases take place during this breathing. An organ that is not associated, mind it, here is which organ is not associated with the respiratory system. Nostril, obviously it will be a part of respiratory system, or lungs also, alveoli also, that means except heart. So heart is the non-associated part of the respiratory system, so it will be the correct option number 4. Next, an animal that breathes through its moist skin, obviously it will be earthworm. So you should do number 2, 3 and 4. Okay, give one word for each of the following. Small opening present on the body of insects through which air is taken inside the body, it will be the spiracles. Windpipe in human, I already discussed it. This one is windpipe, that means trachea. It will be the answer will be goes as trachea. So you should do it and write the true or false. If the sentence is correct, on that time it will be the true. If it is wrong, on that time we should write here false. And fill in the following words, fill in the blanks with the appropriate word. So these are your homework number 1 to 4 here. Okay. So thank you my dear students, thank you for watching.